What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually gonna be going over some issues that I'm having with my Ultima. So, a couple days ago, actually the day before, I met up with the homie Franz to do the exhaust video. I actually had some issues with the car. So what happened was, it was cutting power as I was driving, and the head unit kind of went dim. The music, I don't remember if it was still playing or not, because as it started, I kind of just turned the music off almost right away. And the car was kind of hard to maneuver. It was like complete power loss. So I went to a parking lot. I have some footage from there, so I'll go ahead and add that. So yeah, my car is acting pretty weird. It's like stuttering. It's like it's cutting power. Yeah, and now it just died. That was weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what that was. Keep an eye on it. I also have some footage from right after when I kind of figure out what's going on, but I think I'm just gonna re-record that part because I was on my phone for that. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you. I kind of figured out what was going on. Not 100% sure, but I got a big suspicion. All right, so if you see where I've actually moved this around, but this was rotated a bit differently. It was like that, and this is kind of frayed. So that's the audio battery. So I'm thinking that's an issue. I think that's what's causing it. Once I moved it and it's not up against the box anymore, it's been acting a lot better. But another thing that I kind of ran into though is my compressor has not been back on since. I'm hoping it's just the fuse. Haven't really had time to test it yet. I'm gonna have the homie Ryan take a look at it when I get off work today. But no matter how low it gets, this is not coming on. How low the tank gets, this is not coming on. So luckily I was able to air up. I didn't realize it was an issue right away, but once I aired up, usually the tank does come on. But I was like, well, maybe I didn't use as much as I usually do. So I was like, maybe that's what's going on. I didn't really pay too much attention to it. And then as I was driving, I noticed it still didn't go up. So I was like, okay, I try to let some more air out just to see if maybe I wasn't low enough. And so I went well below where I usually do, and I noticed that it didn't come on at all. So I was like, all right, well, I'm just gonna keep the air that I have in my bags now. I'm not gonna air out, which was a lot harder than I'm used to because I air out everywhere. But I had to reprogram myself to not air out. So as you can see, I'm not aired out. This is my drive height. I think I'm a little higher than usual in the front because in case I had any issues, I did want to make sure I had a decent amount there. But I'm going to meet up with the homie Ryan, like I said, a little bit later when I get off work, and we're going to take a look, weather permitting, of course, because it's supposed to be I don't know if it's a tropical storm or what, but it's supposed to be a storm here today. But it's not looking too bad. We didn't get hit like Miami did. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep you guys posted. I do not like looking at the car like this. I mean, it's not horrible, but I love seeing it aired out, and compared to that, this is kind of painful. But yeah, that's all I have for you so far. While I was shooting the last part of the video for the exhaust, is when I had already realized what was going on. So I was not airing out when I met him at the shop, which was the next day. So yeah. All right, so I'm just getting here. It's pretty good timing because we still got daylight for now. Looks like he was working on his car. Not sure what he's doing just yet, but we'll find out here in a minute. Maybe a new head unit, possibly. But yeah, compressor still hasn't kicked on. Hopefully it's just the fuse, but we will see. Alright, so already got it fixed. Turns out there was a loose wire and something that was disconnected as well. So Ryan kind of plugged that in, and now working on trying to secure the battery. And I believe we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. There's not too much going on, too much else going on with the car, I should say. He definitely wanted to redo my trunk setup. I'm real inclined to let him do it, and I would like to get one of these as well, neon lights, but I am pretty sure I'm getting rid of the car here by November. So yeah, I don't really want to go through all of that. I mean, it's not a lot to him. He can do it pretty quick and pretty efficient with it, but I don't know. I don't really want to go through that, and I don't know. We'll see. Most likely we won't do it, but let me know if you guys think I should do a new trunk setup before I get rid of the car. Definitely let me know down below. The setup wouldn't be anything crazy. It'll be with a thicker wood, giggity, and it'll also have, I don't know if I was to go with the same color again, possibly, but I would definitely like to do one of these as well. I'm not sure if I would do Street Elegance, Fitted Squad, 2-fit, Stay Fitted, who knows. But yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. Alright, so there is one other thing we need to do. Got to make sure this battery stays in one place, so we're going to get some different brackets to try to get that to stay, and another connector for the wire that came loose. So about to hit the store with the homie. Oh yeah, Ryan got a new Instagram. I'll put that down below. Sounds good. Yeah, this is the first video since he's had his Instagram. So I'll make sure I put that in the description as always. Sheesh, look at that. Very bright. So it was a dimmer on there?
I ordered one.
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha.
Wired in here?
Gotcha.
You can make it bright, or you can make it flash, you can make it do whatever. You know?
Okay.
Like you did Joe's type shit.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like that though. That's kind of what I was expecting.
Yeah, but I just had it because it was at nighttime.
Right.
At some point, you have it super bright.
Yeah.
Like this was light up like daytime, bro.
Yeah. Alright, so the battery has been placed. It's basically just set up to be in place. It's not really set up for like the final look of everything. Just needed to be functioning. It is so dark because after he was done with that, he started working on his brother's car. Put the new radio in. It's pretty late, 11:30ish. working on it there. So, but I don't know if I'm gonna be here for this one. I'm about to head on out myself. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment. Oh, actually, before then, we're gonna do a comment of the day, and the comment of the day goes out to and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below, and who knows, you could be next. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.